Nasa Pilipinas ngayon si Kobe Paras upang magbakasyon. Halos isang taon na ring nawala ang basketball sensation matapos tanggapin ang scholarship ng Cathedral High School sa Los Angeles, California. Sinurpresa nito sa pag-uwi kamakalawa ang kapatid at best friend na si Andre.
Well, yung plano ko talaga na gulatin si Kuya. Parang sinurprise ko talaga siya. So, kasi hindi ako nakapunta sa birthday niya siya. So, at least na-surprise talaga siya. Kaya okay. Nagulat siya.
Kasi galing po akong taping nun. Nag-pack up kami mga 4 and then I went to, Dad was calling me. Parang, umuwi ka na. I was like, okay po. So pag uwi ko, sabi, umupo ka. Yung serious face, I'm like, ano ba ginawa ko? Did I leave the lights on upstairs or something? So I sat down. Said, bakit po? And out of nowhere, Kobe from the sofa. He jumped and hugged me. Then I was like so surprised, like, what are you doing here?
Kung umaani ng papuri sa Amerika si Kobe, namamayagpag naman sa ratings ang afternoon soap na kinabibilangan ni Andre, ang The Half Sisters.
Sobrang proud kasi tsaka nakikita ko naman na masaya siya. So parang at least he's doing everything that he can. And at the same time, yung parang nga sinabi ng parents namin, do what we love. So nakikita ko naman na gusto niya talaga showbiz. So I'm really proud of him.
I'm really proud of him, and hopefully, when he comes back again, we can hang with yung mga teammates namin dati, just play like reunion, just have fun, kasi that's what we love doing, and I want to beat him, but I can't. Mahirap. As of them asking tips how to get abs, kasi I don't know, saan yun ako, it's kind of unfair. I don't know.
Bahagyang nalungkot naman ang magkapatid dahil hindi sa Pilipinas magpapasko si Kobe.
Dun kasi during December season na po namin. So, of course, mahirap kasi parang hindi ako sanay na hindi ko kasama parents ko in holidays. So, kailangan ko lang talaga masanay.
But of course, I'm gonna miss him. Maybe now we can spend early Christmas. Yeah.